Welcome friend on my channel technical thing. Today my topic is electrical vehicle in India. Electrical vehicle in India. What is the purpose of electrical vehicle in India? Why should electrical vehicle only uh, transport in India? Step by step we describe why in India use electrical vehicle. So let's start. Now, firstly, we describe the theme of electrical vehicle. In a fifth meeting of Niti Aayog Government Council, which took place in June 2019, Niti Aayog has proposed that only electric vehicles will be sold in India from 2030. It means in year 2030, only electrical vehicle will be sold in our market. Niti Aayog means National Institute for Transforming. Step second, the need for the transition for electric vehicle. What is the why need for electrical vehicle sold? Firstly, wheeler pollution is one of the major cause of air pollution. By switching electrical vehicles, we can solve this issue. As per the report by the government, with this move, carbon emission will reduce by 37% by the year 2030. This will also help our fight against climate change, as India is committed to bringing down its share of global emission by 2030, as the Paris Climate Agreement. Replacing diesel to petrol with electrical vehicle will help us in achieving this goal. As the number of people who are buying vehicles is rising, the air quality worsen further, so there is a need to address this challenge. As of 2019, India is importing crude oil. Step third, step taken by the Indian government. What do Indian government to sold electrical vehicle in India market? So, firstly, encourage consumer to buy electric vehicle. The Indian government removed the registration fee for electrical vehicle from June 2019. It means in firstly encourage the consumer to buy electrical vehicle, and our Indian government removed the registration fee for electrical vehicle from 2019. It is also assigning green number plates for electrical vehicle for using eco-friendly, and Indian government also provided a green number plate for the electrical vehicles using eco-friendly option. India government plan to set up a number of charging station in the future. India government also plan to set up the charging station in a near side of highway. And third, Niti Aayog has also suggested a starting e-highway project which contain an overhead electricity network to continuously supply electricity to the electric truck. It means Niti Aayog also suggested a starting electrical highway project which contains overhead the near of highway to continuously supply electricity to the electric truck. Next, for challenging, what the challenge in government to sold and motivating the people to buy electrical vehicle. All over people are using petrol and diesel vehicle, so it is a challenge to buy electrical vehicle. Firstly, to motivate the people to buy electrical vehicle, at the present cost, the cost of electrical is much higher than the engine powered vehicle. Second, making them affordable is a big task for the government and automobile industry. And second, building infrastructure for charging station is also another challenge for the Indian government. Even through the import of crude oil will be reduced, we'll have to depend on the lion imports for batteries of electrical vehicle. It means we reduce the imports of crude oil, but we also depend upon the lion battery imports for the electrical vehicle. The people who bought electrical will have issue with the speed and charging time, the efficiency of battery and driving range. To it means those people who bought electrical vehicle, they have a issue the speed and charging time, and the other problem is efficiency of battery to the driving range. So to promote the skill of electric vehicle, these things need to be addressed. And fourth step is training people who using electrical vehicle is also another challenge. It means firstly to train those people who drive the electrical vehicle is other another challenge for the Indian government. What should next for challenge, and the last step, conclusion. What is the benefit of electrical vehicle use to our climate? It's a good thing to switch electrical vehicle as it is an environment eco-friendly option, but the government should ensure that transition will be smooth. The use of electrical you reduce the 37% of carbon emission. It means we should use electrical vehicle. The use of electrical vehicle will reduce pollution. Thank you guys.